Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech Guru. In today's video, I'll try to test the 8K video or playback support test in the Poco F3 and the Redmi K40 device as well. So right now I'm using the Redmi K40 friends, and which is also called as the Poco F3 device. So very soon the Poco is going to launch its smartphone, so which is exactly rebranded version of the Redmi K40. So this will be the exact same kind of review even for the Poco F3 as well. So right now I'm playing the 8K video friends in this phone. So let me try to show you quickly the details about the smartphone, what processor it's using and all those details regarding the performance. The Redmi K40 and the Poco F3, they both will be having the Snapdragon 870 processor. So I'll be uploading so many videos on this particular model, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So in the next couple of days I'll be spending my complete time on this Redmi K40 and the Poco F3 only during this time. So make sure to comment below friends what are the different testings you want me to do on this exact model. So right now I'm trying to play the 8K video, so let me try to start from the beginning of this 8K video. So to play the 8K video, the phone should be having the very good powerful chipset. So usually it doesn't play in the normal mobile phones. So in the mid-range segment mobile phones, it doesn't play. The processor which starts playing the 8K videos is the Snapdragon, I think 855. So from 855, the 8K videos will be kind of 100% supported without any kind of issues. So right now same thing friends in this Snapdragon 870, which is playing very smooth. So this is a complete 8K resolution video friends. This one video size is of close to 1 GB size. So I'll try to show you all the properties, but overall it looks stunning in this phone. So there's no issues in terms of the drawback or anything, nothing. So if the Poco F3 is getting launched close to 25,000 rupees, then that phone will be the biggest option for a lot of users to buy the phone. So even the display is very amazing friends, with a small punch hole cutout, so which looks really good in this phone. So for more videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me. For the next couple of days I'll be doing close to 100 videos, so which is a challenge which I kept to myself. So make sure to subscribe and do support me friends by sharing my channel with a lot of your friends, in case if you're if they are thinking of buying the smartphone. So this video will be very much helpful for a lot of other users as well. So right now you can see friends, which looks really good. So let me try to quickly show you the properties of the video, so you know exactly I'm playing the 8K resolution video. So let me try to show you the properties. Information, as you can see, the resolution is of 7680 into 4320. Let me try to click on more, and the frame rates is at 30 frame rates. 7680 friends, it's a 8K resolution, and it was able to play very much smooth without any issues. It looks really good watching in this phone. So for more in-depth comparisons with the other smartphones, so make sure to follow the playlist which I have created for the Poco X3 smartphone. As you can see friends, try to check the playlist and follow regularly. So do check the links in description for the playlist. You will find that link in the description below. So again, I'll be back with another type of video on this phone. So make sure to follow me regularly, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.